Nelson. What's up, baby? Beautiful boy. Yes. Beautiful boy. Look at you, how pretty you are. Look at you. Oh, so pretty. Yes, you are. Can't be such a big boy. Yeah. You growing like a weed. There's how big you are. Yeah, he's a big boy. He's a big boy. 6 pounds, 6 ounces now. 6'6". He's like some sixes. Anyway, 6 pounds, 6 ounces, born on 666. Yeah. Yeah. But him's an angel. He's a little angel boy. Yeah.